Hazelnuts are not only delicious, but also packed with a variety of nutrients that offer numerous health benefits. Here's a breakdown of the key benefits of incorporating hazelnuts into your diet. 1. Rich in nutrients. Healthy fats. High in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which support heart health. Vitamins. Especially rich in vitamin E for skin and cell protection. B vitamins, such as folate for brain health, and vitamin K. Minerals. Packed with magnesium, copper, manganese, and phosphorus, which are essential for bone health, energy production, and antioxidant activity. 2. Heart health. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in hazelnuts help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Rich in magnesium, which supports healthy blood pressure levels. Contains arginine, an amino acid that improves blood vessel function. 3. Antioxidant properties. Hazelnuts are a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin E and phenolic compounds, which help reduce oxidative stress and combat inflammation. 4. Supports brain function. High levels of vitamin E, folate, and healthy fats support brain health and may protect against cognitive decline. 5. Improved digestion. The dietary fiber in hazelnuts promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports gut health. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats and fiber, hazelnuts help stabilize blood sugar levels. The magnesium content aids in improving insulin sensitivity. 7. Bone health. Minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese contribute to strong bones and teeth. 8. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, hazelnuts can aid in weight management due to their high fiber and healthy fat content, which promotes satiety. 9. Skin and hair health. Vitamin E and antioxidants help maintain healthy, glowing skin and prevent premature aging. The healthy fats contribute to stronger, shinier hair. 10. Anti-inflammatory benefits. The antioxidants and healthy fats in hazelnuts have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. How to include hazelnuts in your diet. Eat them raw as a snack. Add to salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Use hazelnut butter as a spread or in smoothies. Incorporate them into baked goods or desserts. Moderation is key, as hazelnuts are calorie-dense. A handful, about 28 grams or 1 ounce, daily is an ideal serving size to enjoy their health benefits. Please like my video and share it with friends and family.